Good day everyone. Today we are going to explain the topic of International Code of Signal ICS or Annex B.
This system is very important, especially for those working in the marine industry.
So let's start our discussion.
First, what is the International Code of Signals? It is a universal system used by ship and vessel to communicate with each other. Its main purpose is to ensure safety in sea or to avoid misunderstanding, especially when people speak different language.
There are different types of signals used. We have single letter signals, which are used for urgent or very important message. We also have two-letter signals for general communications and three-letter signals starting with M, which are specifically for medical situations.
How are these signals sent? They can be displayed using flags sent via radio, shown using signal lamps, or even using hand signals called semaphore. These messages are standardized in several languages so that any country can understand them easily.
To summarize, the ICS is essential for navigation safety.
It helps prevent accidents and ensure clear communication during emergencies.
That's it is all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.